dude, what the fuck? You just pulled it out on me. You just pulled it out on me. You just did not stop.
Fucking start, mate.
You didn't stop, mate. You didn't stop. You just did not stop. Oh, fuck off. Twat. I was 100 meters up the road, fuck off. Okay. Really? Really? Oh, right, a real man, yeah? Fuck off, mate. Fuck off. Oh, what a twat. Oh, you wanker. Hey, you fucking moron. Yeah, yeah, twat. Fucking twat. Fuck you, it's red. It's a red light. Where are you gonna go? It's a red light. What are you rushing to? You rushing to fucking wait? Shut the fuck up. You want your fucking ass beat right now, bitch? You getting out? You getting out? You wanna fucking go? Let's go then, bitch! Let's go! Swing it, motherfucker! Swing it, bitch! Swing it, I'll knock you the fuck out! Swing that shit right now, bitch! Swing that shit! That's what I thought, bitch!
You can't escape me, and you ain't never gonna change me. I can't stand it, I fucking had it. I'm about to blow, 'cause it's one for the money. It's two, 'cause two is for the show. It's three.
So anyways, back to my moto vlog.
Hey, motherfuckers, are you ready? Let's go. 'Cause it's one for the money. Ловил я много разных рыбок, я знаю клевые места, где море дел, дичьих улыбок, поймать чего-то, как с куста, но только ты, рыба моей мечты, только ты, рыба моей мечты, но только ты, рыба моей мечты, только ты, рыба моей мечты. Watch out now! What about you just jump on? What about you love it? What about you? Watch out now! What about you love it? Watch out! Когда клюет, тогда полсотни могу я за ночь натаскать от
западни гуляют стаи всяких танциков. Но только ты, рыба моей мечты. Только ты, рыба моей мечты. Но только ты, рыба моей мечты. Только ты, рыба моей мечты. Только ты, what you know, what man you jump for, what man you know, what man you do, what man you do, what man you jump for, what man you do, oh yeah. Ловил я много, ловил я часто. Я как терминатор.
Come here then. What are you saying? What are you saying? What? Yeah, I'm filtering. I'm filtering.
You didn't have enough room to get fucking back in.
Am I in? I'm What? I'm pulled over here. You're the one with the problem, mate. Did you get through? Yes, you did. Do you know why he did that? Because I'm a flipping learner. If I didn't have learner plates on, I swear to God.